Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, what we will try to do it is, we will try to do an update in our Node.js chat application. We will add two cool features. That is nothing but when somebody enters into the chat room, so we need to broadcast a message that user has been joined with an ID, something like that. It has been joined. When someone leaves, we need to broadcast a message that user has been joined, has been left. By the end, we will see these notifications in action and understand how to implement them. So now let's try to go one by one. So here, so we have already did this one, right? So where we need to do this one. So when we got the, let's go to the server.js file. So let's go to the server.js file and we will try to implement this one. So if you move to the server.js file here, yeah, so this is the code we are having it. And here we are pushing the client, right? So whatever the user we are having it, we are pushing the client. So before pushing the client, what I want to do it is, I want to broadcast the message when the new user joins. Okay, so here when the new user joins, I want to broadcast a message. So that means, so whatever the clients I am having dot for each loop, I will loop over one by one. So I will be having each client, and in this client what I will be trying to do is, for each socket I will write the message in such a way that user with the client ID joined. That's it. So this is the message which I will be trying to do it, and afterwards I will try to push the message, and I will do whatever they want. So now we have sent the message. Let's try to see that whether we can able to receive the message. Otherwise, after pushing the message also you can do it, so that the user who has joined, the user itself can able to see the message. Let's go on to our terminal. So this is our terminal, and I will be clearing it off. So let's go to the node server.js file, and this is the listening to the port 3008, and here also I will try to clear it off. Node client.js file. So your ID is 1, so here it has joined. So now when I try to join another new user here, so your ID is 2, and if you try to see here, user 2 join. So here we are able to see a message that user 2 has been joined, and now here you can message hi user 2. Now you will be able to see that user 1 has message to the hi there, how are you. So here user 1 can send a message something like this. Oh sorry, the same user 1. So here I can say that user 2, I am fine. So here you will be able to receive the message I am fine. So now here we are able to chat perfectly. So this is how we'll be doing. So now we are able to receive the message. So suddenly somebody has left this one. So if you try to click center, so we are getting an error something like aborted like this, right? So let's try to wrap this one in a try catch block so that we can end this question. So where we are able to get this question. So whenever we are asking this question, so here we are getting this one. It's a writable stream. So here you can write it try, and here I can use a catch. We need to close the stream actually. Okay, so here I can close, and if you want you can also end the socket also. It's not there. So when the client when you're trying to do it is, so you can end the socket also. Let's try to see now. So if I try to show the same thing clear here node, so ID is 3, and if you try to see here user 3 joined, we can able to see the same message. And if I abort this connection, see connection has been ended. So why we are getting connection has been ended means, because we have ended the we ended the socket also, so that's why end connection is firing. So now we are able to see, and now again user 4 joined, we can able to see. So here we can send the message, and here we can able to receive the message. So fine. Now up to here, whatever the things we are trying to do it, we can able to achieve it. Now the second one which I want to do it is when somebody user left. So here the user your ID is user ID has been left, right? Now here the user 4 has been left. So here we need to send a message to all the remaining connected clients that user 4 has been left the chat. We need to send that message. How we can send that message? Simple. So let's go to the server.js file, and this is the code, right? So we are able to see that whenever we are receiving a data from the client, so we are using the socket data. Now whenever the socket has been ended, so that is nothing but socket dot end. So whenever the socket has been end, that means it is in the end, then we know that the socket has been ended, right? So we have the client ID, whichever the socket has been ended, we have the client ID with us, and I can write in such a way that so I will loop over one by one clients dot for each, and I will be having the client, and I will do client dot socket dot write. I will write the message, and here user, and the client which it has been ended is this one left. I can show this like this message. Now we are able to successfully show this message, and here this one is nothing but broadcast the message when the user left the chat. So we are broadcasting the message. So broadcast the message when the user left the chat, when the user left the chat. So this is the thing. Now we have implemented this one. Now when the when the user joins. Yeah. Let's try to go to the terminal, and I will stop the server. Okay, and I will restart the server again, and here also I will clear it off, and I will try to do it, and here also I will try to clear it off, and I will try to do it. So your ID is 2, and here also user to join, we can able to see the message, and user 1 is trying to send the message, and here also we are able to receive the message, and here also the user 2 we are able to receive. For some reason user 1 has left the chat. He has left the chat, user 1 left, we got it, and here also we are able to get that user 1 left also. So in this way we are able to show the message whoever we are notifying the other clients that whenever the new user joins, we are able to send the message that user particular with ID has been joined, and whenever the user left the chat, so we are showing that user with a particular ID has left the chat. So this is how we will be implementing the notifying the users whenever any user joins the chat or left the chat. So that's it guys about this one. So I will be committing this code. So this will be present in my GitHub repository. So Leela Web Dev. So whoever may be having doubts or anything, so if you want to refer this code, so you can able to refer the code. So for references. So that's it guys about this one. So we have implemented our simple chat server. So hope you understood about this concept. So how we need to tackle the TCP client and all those things. Now you will be having a pretty understanding about the streams concept, socket concept, where the socket is a duplex stream, so where we can write it and also we can read the data from the socket. So this is the concept which you will be trying to do. Now you can host this one in your any cloud or anything. So like a DigitalOcean or AWS or Azure, anywhere you want, you can host it, and you can use this one publicly. You can use it, so it's not a problem. This is what I want to explain you about this concept. So hope you understood about this one. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. And also if you have any doubts regarding this TCP chat, if you want to enhance this code, so you can enhance this code instead of assigning it to ID. So you can add a text box or something like that, and you can ask the user with the name, and you can have a unique user with the name, and you can proceed with that name thing, username something. So so many enhancements we can do it, improvisations we can do it, but I will be stopping from here up to here only. So I want to make a clear idea that how you can able to. So you make the changes and all those things. Let me share your GitHub Git repository or something like that. Share your code so that I can check that code also. So that's it guys. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.